Conservative estimates put the amount of plastic waste floating in the world's oceans at 150 million tons. Yet this dire situation can be improved sustainably through the power of new ideas and the innovative use of robots from ABB. One company that is fully committed to sustainability is the Swedish startup Sculptur. Here, it's all about making designer furniture from what would otherwise be waste material. But no one crafts by hand at Sculptur. That's done by state-of-the-art 3D printing ABB robots.
The philosophy behind Sculptur is to combine large-scale 3D printing, the best technology there is, with circular economy, making it possible to print, for example, a furniture, and when it's used, put it into a shredder and use the material again, straight into the robot, and in that way create a circular.
What's known as the filament, i.e. the feedstock for printing, is composed purely of waste granules. For example, sawdust, coffee grounds or plastic particles found in the oceans. Which material is used doesn't matter to the ABB robot. But what does matter is the programming of the robot. That's why the designers at Sculptur rely on ABB's simulation and offline programming software, ABB Robot Studio.
So in Robot Studio, I would say that the robot is born. So a digital twin of the robot is created in Robot Studio, and there you do all programming. I mean, you can do so much in Robot Studio. You can utilize virtual reality to really see how it would look in your, I don't know, living room or in your shop floor. And you can also go into that environment and to really test how the robot would work in interaction with you as a human.
At Sculptur, the use of ABB Robot Studio enables the 3D printing robot to adapt to new production designs quickly, easily, and efficiently. Here, the robot is creating a modern chair. The precise movements made while printing evoke the choreography of a complex dance. It's no surprise that Sculptur looks to ABB as its dance instructor.
Because ABB has been around very long, and they know what they are working with. So we realized very quickly that they also want to go into additive manufacturing and push it, put some energy, put some money into it. And that's very important. If you aim to be the best, you have to work with the best as well. And that's why we stick with ABB.
While at first glance the Swedish startup and the global ABB might appear to be very different, they are linked by sharing the same philosophy, that with using recycled products and cutting-edge ABB technology, together we will make the world a cleaner and better place.